Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to go about enable multiple RDP or remote desktop services on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So RDP or remote desktop protocol sessions are a secure way to remotely access and control computers including physical and virtual devices and used for variety of purposes including remote access, remote support, and network management. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to modify the local group policy. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. So pagsabayan mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na gpedit.msc, one word yan. And i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong local group policy editor, ang next step, so dito lang sa local computer policy under dito sa computer configurations, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates folder. So double click mo lang siya. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows components folder. So double click ulit. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung remote desktop services. So select mo lang dito yung remote desktop services folder. So double click ulit. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung remote desktop session host. So double click ulit. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung connections. Okay, so dito sa connections, so one time click. So click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung settings. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung restrict remote desktop services user to a single remote desktop services sessions. So select and double click. And dito sa kanyang settings, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung disable. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito sa restrict remote desktop services, and next keyword na kailangan natin i-modify dito sa settings, ay select mo lang dito yung limit number of components. So same, so select and double click. And dito sa kanyang settings ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung enable. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa options ay makikita mo dito yung RD maximum connections allowed. So ito yung number 1 na number dito ay kailangan natin i-change yan. And then i-type natin dito yung 999 for unlimited connections. So ilagay natin yung 999. And then once na ilagay mo na, and then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to enable multiple RDP sessions in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.